What's up, P? So, I found a new Pokemon hack. So, I'm gonna show you that it's working. Yeah, let's wait for it to load. Right. So, I'm kind of excited to show this to you because we have a lot of people that likes Pokemon Go. So, this version has 4 features: walk, bike, and drive, and you can ride it directly. So I'm gonna show you that it's working. There you go. Whoa. And I'm gonna show you that I can catch Pokemon with this method. Yeah, you've gotta walk though. There you go. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. Go to your Safari and type in. Wait, let's go to my Safari and search it. You gotta search GooglePad.cn. There you go. Alright, again, wait. Let's do it again. To get this first. Let's see. GooglePad.cn. What? There. So you can see here there's a X here, X, and you've got to press the green button. You can read the Google Pad and press this here and press this blue button and wait for the pop-up to tell you that install this Google Pad. I'm gonna cancel it because I have it already here. So here, and go to your settings, just trust it, that's all. Now first, you open it up, you wait for it to load. So I'm still waiting, and what am I gonna do? You're gonna search here, Pokemon Go. You're gonna search it up, then the first one on the top, that's it. So you need to make sure that it's the latest version. Scroll down and look, it's 49.1. So that means it's the latest version for iOS. It's 1.9.1. So that's it. So you just gotta press this blue button here, and it's gonna download. Or you can just press this, and it will show the Pokemon Go. You gotta press all of this if you don't want the apps, because it will just install without you knowing that it's installing. So I'm gonna show you again that it's working fine, and you can use it. Because I know that the generation 2 is coming. So I'm excited also. Gonna make an update. So yes, so that's the video. Gonna open. Oh, my bag is full. I don't care. So that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like the video. Subscribe and thanks.